Alright guys, we're at the back of the Ironhenge. Not a whole lot of work going on today. We got a few workers in the cranes, a few welders working on the shielding up there. Lots of steel going up. You can see the nose cone in the back. Looks like they've been polishing it up pretty good, getting it ready to put on top. I'm not sure if you can see from this spot or not, but the top of that section has been sliced and diced all along the top rim, trying to make it curve in just right. I'd love to see this thing stacked up. These iron workers are securing some of that outer shielding and some other framework up near the ceiling, the roof area. See the new porthole, which is basically on the northwest side. We got a big structure that's being built over here in the back. It looks like it's going to be for phase 2, as far as putting another portion of the Orbi together. Lots of foundation being laid, lots of work in the back area, lots of water tanks. Not sure if those are going to be buried or not. Yeah, it's a big foundation in the back.